Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have the Curateur Fall Welcome Box. I showed one other welcome box before and it was amazing. Like truly the value was the very best value I think I've ever seen on a subscription box. I'll link that one up here if you want to go check out that last welcome box. This is the fall box. Curateur just sent this to me, so I don't actually know which box I received. With the welcome boxes, there are 3 different options, so you do get to choose or customize which box is best for you. The boxes are $49.99 and they are offered in between the seasonal boxes for new subscribers only. So if you're like, hey, I'm thinking about trying Curateur, you're going to want to get one of the welcome boxes because it's such a great value. And then you can roll into your seasonal subscription and get your 4 boxes per year. Okay, I have already ripped into the paper. This was packed a whole lot neater before I got my hands on it. But I wanted to sneak peek inside because I was super hoping I got the purple handbag, and you guys, I freaking got the handbag. I was just telling my husband like a day ago, I need to buy a fall handbag. I want to buy a fall handbag, but I feel like I need to wait to see if I actually need to go get one. I don't. This handbag is absolutely perfect. It's really large, which I like. It has a pocket on the inside. It means I can hold all of my kids' stuff, our laptops, all of the goods. It is so chic and so cute. And the great part is, so I told you the box is $49.99. If you use this coupon code, WELCOME10, you get $10 off this box. Use the link below. I've got the full URL that will click you straight over to the box and it will save you $10. So you're gonna get this box for $39.99. And the tag on this purse alone, US retail value of $115. And the quality is there. This is a $100 bag. It is large, it is well made, it smells great. I love everything about this bag. I'm actually wearing a kimono from a past box of hers, and look how good it looks together. That looks so cute together. Okay, there are several other things in this box. With the welcome box, you get 3 items. And there's 3 different boxes to choose from that have 3 items each. Looks like they sent me a myriad of items, so these are choice items. I do not know which ones are choice items. I did reach out to Curateur for more information, got impatient and wanted to film this video, so I'm in here filming it, and they have not had a chance to reply yet. So know that I am showing choice items. In my box, I have this scarf that is extremely soft. It is a beautiful ombre, and the colors fade as the scarf goes on. I absolutely love it. Let's see here. Can y'all see? It is extremely, extremely soft. And it is large. It is a very big scarf. Also in here is 24 karat lip therapy. Apply whenever lips need an extra dose of hydration. It's clear see-through, but you can see gold flakes on the inside. It doesn't smell like anything, but the gold flakes are really, really cool. I hope y'all can see those on there. And then I have, I don't know how to say the brand, Beyond Powder Highlighter. And what these boxes are, the welcome boxes, they're a really great way for new people to join Curateur, but they're composed of past items from past boxes. So since I've been a Curateur member for a while, I already own this. So this would be my second one to get. But the welcome boxes aren't meant to be for people who already have a subscription. I want to show you this. It is very pretty. It is really easy to use. I use mine all the time. I don't know if I'm going to save this for later use or if I'll pay it forward. The one great thing about a really great subscription box is you can get really good gifts for family and friends. And I think my sister would actually enjoy this. We'll see how I feel. And then in here is an Anastasia Liquid Glow Highlighter. I have never used a liquid highlighter before, but I really, really want to. So I am gonna use this guy as my very first liquid highlighter and see if I love it more than using the powder, or maybe there's a way to use them together. I'll have to YouTube that because I'm not exactly a makeup guru. So in this box, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 2 of them are choice items. I don't know which ones are choice items, but it gives you an idea. And I'm sure there's other choice items that I didn't even get that are on there. So hop on the link below, check out the 3 different box options. I think the names of them are the Elegant Essentials, the Everyday Edge, and the Icon Box. The Elegant Essentials has a total retail value of $312. The Everyday Edge box has a total retail value of $573. And the Icon box has a retail value of $290 for $39.99. Okay. If you guys have any questions about Curateur, let me know. If you're not interested in doing a welcome box, you don't have to. You can sign straight up into the seasonal subscription. I'll link the seasonal one up here so you can see how awesome that box is. I'm pretty new to them. I've only done 2 or 3 unboxings, but I have to say every single time I have been super, super impressed with what I've seen, and I cannot wait for the next winter box. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.